Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we have 85 squared. There is a trick I just learned and I want to share with you to solve this question in seconds. So let's start. We have our first digit to be 8. 8 squared gives us 64. So we put 64 on the side. The next is 5. 5 squared gives us 25. We combine 25 with our 64. Now what do? We multiply 8 by 5 and multiply it by the exponent. So 8 times 5 gives us 40, and that 40 times the exponent 2 gives us 80. So with this done, we can just write our 80 and add a 0 at the end and sum it up. 5 plus 0 gives us 5, 2 plus 0 gives us 2. 4 plus 8 gives us 12. We write 2 and bring 1 here. 6 plus 1 gives us 7. So now we can conclude that 85 squared gives us 7,225. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next one. Bye bye.